have been dying to try out this palette, but I did not want to touch it until I sat down and did a first impressions with you. So this is by Colourpop. Is the Petals En Pointe pressed powder palette. This is what it looks like. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. What it looks like in the back. Actually got two. This one, which I will also be reviewing, and I will list it in the description in case you want to check it out. Plus I'll leave a playlist of all the eyeshadows that I have reviewed. Look at this. What do you think? Of course, in this video I could only create one look. Don't forget to follow because I will do many other looks with this also on TikTok, Instagram. Alright, ready for some swatches? Starting with Lace Me Up. I wish this had a mirror, but now I'm just asking for too much. And I'm not using any eyeshadow primer. I want to see how these work on their own. Oh, this is a beautiful shade for all over the lid. As you see, it's very light, can't really see it. It's just like a nice base. Next, I'm gonna go in with Grand Finale. A beautiful shade here. I'm just gonna blend this right here. Now these colors are very nice, light, but you also have like your little darker shades here, which I love if you want to like smoke it out, be more dramatic. I want to keep my eyeshadow a bit light because I am going to be reviewing a mascara too, and I want you to be able to see it. Really, like the darkest shade here is this. This has some like glitter, so I don't really want to put that like in the outer corner. Guess I will have to go in with Take a Bow. Hopefully it's not too dark. I mean, that's definitely not dark. Then I can also just put a little bit of that on the lower. Of course, I want to go in with this beautiful shade right here. I'm going to apply it first with a brush, and then I will go in with my finger. So here's Pink Ribbon. I'm gonna go in with my finger. You can definitely see how much more it pops. I lost some of that black. I'm just gonna quickly touch it up again. I want to put a highlight in the inner corner, and this one looks perfect for that. This fluffed tutu. Take a nice amount and place it right here. Just to brighten that up. Oh my god. We'll show you the finished look like with the lashes and the liner. Alright, so here's the finished look. I showed you without the lashes, with the lashes, now the lashes and the eyeliner. Really like soft colors. That black, like you see, it did not come out like super black either. Forget, I'll leave all my socials right here if you want to follow me. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.